Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and thank you so much if you are a returning subscriber, and thank you for being here again. Of course, I really do appreciate you coming back to my channel and just showing me that support, so thank you. So today's video is going to be the Boxycharm unboxing. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, I got all 3 boxes sent to me, so thank you so much to Boxycharm. They didn't ask me to do this video or anything like that. I actually want to share all the products that we got, so we're going to do the unboxing first, just in case you are interested in just seeing the unboxing. But if you are also interested in seeing the look that we can come up with using these products, then that will be at the end of the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like. That definitely helps out my channel a lot, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So just in case you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription service, and they do have different tiers. I have it on my phone right now because I don't really know all the details, except for the base box. I do know that it's a $25 subscription services that you get 5 beauty items. It could be skincare, makeup, or like some kind of beauty tool inside your box, and it's going to be full size, and usually it retails an average of $175 a month. So the premium box is $35 and an average value of $215, and the Luxe box, which is every 3 months, it's $49.99. You can actually add it to your already existing subscription, whether it's the 25 or the 35, and the average value of that box is $395. Let's go ahead and start with the base box. All right, so the first item that I have is this one right here. This is from the brand Asiology or Asiology. It's an overnight lip mask, and it retails for $19. I always get lip products on my boxes. I love them, but I always feel like they're trying to tell me something. Anyway, so the next product that we have is this one right here from Touch and Soul. It's called the Pretty Filter Glowdian Makeup Palette, and it retails for $34. The next product that we have here is from KBD Beauty, and this is the Dazzle Stick Eyeshadow, and this retails for $22. The product that we have here is this Brow Bar by Rima. This is a brow light camera action duo brow highlighter. It retails for $16. And the last product that we have is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is from the brand OPB Beauty London, and it's called the Spotlight eyeshadow palette. All right guys, so let's go ahead and open up the premium box. This box smells like herbal teas. I mean, there is definitely something that is really strong and herbally. It just reminds me of a spa, and I like it, but when it's a little too strong, not my thing. All right guys, so we found it. Here she is. She is the one who is definitely making that scent. This is from the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and it is a Revive Body Gel. It retails for $46. It's closed. Here it is. And the scent is so strong, but I can only imagine how great it's going to feel when I'm actually in the shower enjoying it. But right now in the box, because I don't know, it's been here for a little bit, it's just the scent is so strong in the box. But this is going to be super nice in the shower with hot water for those therapy moments. Yes. Okay. I like it. I wasn't really liking it, but now I like it. Alright guys, so the next product that we have here is from Seattle, London, and this one is called I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower? So it is an eyeshadow palette, and this right here retails for $45. So we have 2 mattes on the top, and look at those shimmers. Those are nice. Next product is this one from NYS, and these are some sunglasses, and these retails for $40. These are called the Clarkson Avenue sunglasses. Alright, so the next product that we have here is this one from the brand AMNH Skincare. These are the Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads, and they retail for $32. So these pads right here are to help you reduce wrinkles and dark circles, and anything that could help my under eyes. It's welcome in my life. The next product that we have here is this one. It is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is called the Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil, and powder duo. So we will see. This retails for $34. I'm really intrigued. I don't think I actually heard anybody talking about this one. Let's see how it looks like. What is this? Is this the powder? Ooh, okay, it is the powder. That's interesting. And here is a pencil. So it might be a little too light for me, but we'll try it anyways. It is in the shade Neutral Deep Brown 4.5. Avon Skincare, and this is a hyaluronic acid replenishment lip serum. It retails for $122. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Let me take this one out. Let me see. What is it gonna do to my lips? I don't know. Let's try it. This is crazy. Does it feel $122? I don't know. I don't know about this one. I hope it doesn't sting my lips. So the next product that we have here is from Dr. Brand, and it is called the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, and it retails for $64. All right, and the last product that we have, a NARS blush, and it is the so popular blush Orgasm. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the last box, which is the Luxe box from Boxycharm. And we do have a repeat palette, which is the Seattle London eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to open it because it will be pointless and wasteful. So I am going to be putting it aside. I think that is super cool. Another repeat item that we have in the Luxe box is this one from Dr. Brand face cream. So I am going to put it aside as well. And we do also have another repeat product, which is this one, which is the $122 lip serum from Avon. And we do have another one, which is the blush from NARS, which is Orgasm. So here we go. So let's go ahead and do a little giveaway with these repeat products, of course, because I get to share with you guys. And of course, these things right here, they don't happen to me because I'm so awesome. It's actually because of your help and your support to my channel. So I do really appreciate you guys so much. So I'm really happy that I actually get to share some of these products with you guys. If you are interested in entering this giveaway, all you have to do is just leave me a comment in the description area with your Instagram account, and also of course you have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you can just follow me on my Instagram as well. Any other details in regards of this little giveaway, it is going to be in the description area. All right, so the next product that is not a repeat is this one right here from Luxe, and it is called the Floral Brush Set, and it retails for $40. So here is the little sponge that we get, and we get these little cute brushes, which are always super awesome to have around, especially if you're traveling. All right, so this is from the brand Smith French Dublin French Green Leaf Aromatic Hand Wash, and this retails for $25. It smells so nice and clean. I love it. Yep, super nice. All right, thank you. So the next product that we have is from Earth Harbor Naturals, and this is called the Sunstones Hair Revive Elixir, and it retails for $30. So the last product that we have in our box is this one right here, which is from The Word. All right, so here we have an eye mask, which I'm super excited, and it is adjustable. You also get these little pouches right here that you can put these things right here, which are called the Steam Sessions to reduce dark circles and puffy eyes, which is awesome. So you get 2 for each eye, of course, and they send 3 over. And you also get these little ones right here that you can actually put them in the refrigerator for like coolness. Ooh, yeah, okay, I'm feeling this one for sure. All right, so I brought you in a little closer. I'm going to put this face cream on just because I feel like my skin needs a little bit of hydration. Oh yeah, feels like my skin is like drinking it right now. So I am going to let it just settle into my skin a little bit longer, and we're going to do the eyes first. And we're going to start with this shade right here, all right, which is like a pinky tone. So just add in this color to the outer corner and the crease, just really high up. This is going to be our transition shade. All right, so using this shade right here, just to add a little bit of more warmth, and same brush in the same areas, just a little bit lower. I am very pleasantly surprised with this palette so far, with these two shades. Using the Luxe brush, I'm going to take the dark shade, which is the next one, this one right here, and keeping it really low. I'm just focusing on the outer corner, just flicking whatever is left so they can blend together with the other shades. All right, so I am going to take this shade right here. I'm going to pack it in the outer part so I can go with the darker matte shade that we use. Just going halfway and taking this color right here and adding it to the inner part and just blending those two shades together. All right, so using this brush right here and the one that we have in our inner corner, just so we can really get in there. All right, so now moving into brows, I'm going to use this one from Benefit. All right, so the color is not that bad, and that was super fast. So I'm going to use the other side, which that's the one that is definitely intriguing me. So I'm just adding it gently. That was cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow. All right, guys, so that is it for the eyes, and now the blush that we're going to be using is the NARS Orgasm. Wow, it's been such a long time since I actually used this blush. And a little, like a super tiny bit of this highlighter. I'm going to use that one right there. By the way, I do have a link for Boxycharm down in the description area if you are interested in signing up using my link. Thank you so much if you actually do. But if you don't want to use my link, that is totally okay. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here for the unboxing and the try on portion of it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. And let me know in the comment section down below if you got the same boxes or what did you get. Let me know. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.